Mission Life, the India-led global movement for climate action, is guiding individuals and communities towards land restoration. Join a tree plantation drive to increase green cover. Trees improve soil health, recharge water, and restore degraded land. Choose natural products to reduce plastic waste and prevent healthy land from turning into landfills. Say no to single-use plastic to prevent toxic buildup in soil and water. Reduce waste by reusing and repairing old items and protect natural resources. Adopt sustainable food systems, which is key to healthy agricultural practices and healthy soil. Mission Life's water and energy saving actions, such as fixing leaking taps, using LEDs, are also reducing the pressure on natural resources and promoting land restoration. Be a pro-planet person.